This was a fun exercise I did with my daughters back in the fall of 2022, where I was trying to teach her trend or direction of price action. And this is TradingView. On the monthly chart, it goes back to 2005. And all we did was kind of map out where price stopped going down and started going up, and stopped going up and started going down, and stopped going down and started going up, and stopped going up and stopped going down and stopped going down, stop going up. You kind of get the idea, right? That's an easy way to visually look at trend. And if you're not sure about the trend in that segment, you can give it like a neutral color. In our case, we kind of gave it a white. So there's not necessarily a right or wrong, it's just how you see the markets. And what we did after that was we marked off on the monthly chart um, buyers and sellers on the monthly chart. And this was an area that we marked off on the top side of price and on the bottom side of price. This was the where we marked off monthly buyers. Now, as I was trying to explain to my daughter that this may appear sideways price action, range bound price action, but on a smaller chart, there are actually trends in which you can trade. I like to trade the extremes. In the middle, you get chopped up. But let's see if we can find a setup. So on this most recent leg, you could potentially say that price is trending down. So we want to look for shorts. Let's go to the weekly chart. And you can see that price is making lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. Question is, will price continue to move down? It's possible. Price loves liquidity. Who moves the market? The big institutions, the smart money, the central banks, and they need liquidity to fill their orders. And that liquidity is found at the extremes. In this case, the yellow rectangle area zone. In this case, on the downside, the yellow area. Now, I'm just going to go revisit this green box here because I'm not sure why we marked it off. There might have been some daily buyers there. So let's go check that before we figure out a game plan for a setup closer to price. We're going to go to the daily chart. Alright, so we had a extended range green candle, and then we had a basing candle, meaning the indecision candle. And then the next candle was an extended green range candle, another one. So this was a strong move out from this level here. It's why this area worked out. Alright, so let's go to current price, see if we can find any setups here. I would anticipate price at least pausing at this level here. As you can see, these wicks represent buyers. So you might get a reaction, but what's the trend? Trend on the weekly chart right now is down, although this is all range bound. So we want to look for shorts on the daily chart. This was a nice shorting area. You had a drop in price, you had a basing candle, you had these pivot lows, which signified buyers. So when price came back, came into the zone before resuming lower. At the moment, I don't see any setups. Here was another potential setup. A break of this uptrend line. Could have gotten short. Let me go down to the 4-hour chart. See if we see anything of interest. No, I don't see anything. Let's see. Where was that area I said price had to pause at? Right down here, okay. Don't see any setups at the moment. But this video was just more or less how to visualize trend, and probability increases when you trade with the trend. There are traders out there that just do counter trends, but for beginners, it's best if you trade with the trend. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like,